I was sitting here just staring at the wall, thinking about a conversation I had with a friend he's going through a lot. And he asked me, how do you keep going when you don't even believe in the version of yourself you're trying to become? And I realized I couldn't give him a polished answer because I'm still figuring that out too. But I have seen the mechanics of how this works. I've seen the scars of the process. So I'm just going to give it to you straight, no fluff. Just the raw architecture of how you actually stop hating the person in the mirror and start building someone you actually trust. We've been sold a lie, haven't we? The industry of inspiration tells you that confidence is a light switch, that you just need to manifest it or say some magic words in the mirror and boom, you're Roger Bannister. But that's not how it feels on a Sunday night, isn't it? On Sunday night, it feels like a heavy, cold weight in your chest. It's that mental loop that says, who are you kidding? Or you're just one mistake away from everyone finding out you're a fraud. You were promised that if we worked hard, we would feel solid. But instead, most of us feel like we're building a house on quicksand. We're waiting for a permission slip from the world, a bank account balance, a job title, to finally let us believe we're capable. I'm here to tell you that permission slip is never coming. I remember 4 years ago. I was at my lowest. I had failed at this project, doesn't matter what it was, but I had tied my entire identity to it. When it collapsed, I didn't just lose money. I lost the ability to trust my own brain. I would wake up and before my feet even hit the floor, my brain would start the audit of failures. It would replay every mistake that I had made since the 3rd grade. I felt physically small. I looked at those unstoppable people, the ones who walk into a room and just own the space, and I thought they were different species. I thought they were born with a confidence gene I was missing. I was wrong. They aren't built different. They've just built a different fortress. Look, here's the thing. Your brain is a loyal, stupid computer. If you spend all day telling it you're a failure, it says, okay, I will optimize for failure. It builds a superhighway between your self-concept and your fear center. But you can pave a new route. Don't just try to leap from I'm a failure to I'm a god. Your brain will reject it. It's too much. Instead, we bridge it. First, the mind hack. Stop saying I'm failing. Say, Marco, you are struggling right now. Use your own name, by the way. It sounds weird, I know, but it creates space. It turns you into a coach instead of a victim. Second, the body hack. You can't think your way out of a physiological panic. If your heart is racing, your brain cannot believe you are confident. You have to commandeer the hardware. Box breathing, power poses in the bathroom. It's not woo-woo, it's literally telling your amygdala to shut up so the prefrontal cortex can take the wheel. Third, the saboteur killer. You have to curate your crew. And I don't just mean friends, I mean the voices you let in. If you're surrounding yourself by cynics, your brain is constantly soaking in doubt chemicals. You have to build a fortress. This isn't an overnight fix. It took me, I'm still doing it. It's a daily practice of laying one brick at a time. Some days the wind blows the bricks over. That's fine. You just pick them up and put them back up. I don't need you to crush it tomorrow. I just need you to stay in the game. You're not a finished masterpiece. You're a work in progress. And honestly, that's a much more interesting person to be. Take a breath. You've got this. I will talk to you soon.